Hi everyone, welcome back to our biology class. Let us start our class with a new topic, that is X-linked diseases. Dear students, do you know what are X-linked diseases? Do you have any idea about it? Let us discuss. The diseases which are caused by the mutation in a gene present on X chromosome we can call as X-linked diseases. Once again, the diseases which are caused by the mutation in a gene present on X chromosome we can call as X-linked diseases. What is mutation? Mutation means a sudden change in one or more genes or in the number or in the structure of chromosomes. What is mutation? It is a sudden change in one or more genes or in the number or in the structure of chromosome. That we can call as mutation. So when a gene undergo mutation process and finally it leads to the X-linked diseases. Especially the gene present on X chromosomes only undergo that mutation process and it leads to the X-linked diseases. Example, hemophilia, and color blindness. These are the two X-linked diseases. There are two types of X-linked diseases. What are they? X-linked dominant diseases and X-linked recessive diseases. We have to learn only X-linked recessive diseases. They are hemophilia and color blindness. We can learn more about these diseases. First one, color blindness. It is the decreased ability to see color or differences in color. The person who is having this color blindness is not able to see the primary color like green and red, or he is not able to differentiate the color. The most common causes of color blindness is due to a fault in the development of one or more of the three sets of color sensing cones in the eye. In our eye, there is a color sensing cone cells. This cone cell only help us to see color. Okay. In the case of color blindness, what will happen? This color sensing cone cells will not develop properly due to the mutation of gene present in the X chromosome. Okay, the gene present in the X chromosome undergo mutation and finally it leads to that color blindness. If that gene is working only, what can develop? That color sensing cones cells can develop. Like this way it helps us to see that color vision. Okay. Let us check whether we are having color blindness or not. In this circle, one number is written. If you are able to read that number, you are not having color blindness. If you are not able to read that number, then you are having color blindness. First I will try. I can read this number. It is 74. So I am free from color blindness. Like me, you can also try. Next we can discuss about hemophilia. There are two types of hemophilia. One is hemophilia A and next one is hemophilia B. First we can discuss about hemophilia A. Hemophilia A is a genetic deficiency in clotting factor 8 in our blood, which causes increased bleeding and usually affects male. In terms of the symptom of hemophilia A, there are internal or external bleeding episode. So what is hemophilia A? In our blood, there is say clotting factor. What is that clotting factor? That clotting factor means clotting factor 8. Okay. This clotting factor 8 is controlled by a gene which is present on X chromosome. When this gene undergo mutation, what will happen? That gene cannot control that clotting factor. Like this way, it fail to clot the blood. Okay, if that factor is working only, what can take place? Blood clotting process can take place. When it fail, what will happen? That bleeding will take place in that person. Okay, what are the symptoms of hemophilia A? There are internal or external bleeding we can see in hemophilia A, and it is common in male, or it usually affects male only. Second type is hemophilia B. It's a blood clotting disorder caused by a mutation of the factor 9 gene leading to a deficiency of factor 9. It is the second most common form of hemophilia, rarer than hemophilia A. The condition is marked by increased clotting times, that is 3 to 8 minutes, and bleeding times, that is 2 to 5 minutes. Let us discuss about hemophilia B. In hemophilia B, one gene present on X chromosome controlling a clotting factor in our body. What is that clotting factor? Clotting factor 9. Okay. If this clotting factor is working only, what can take place? Blood clotting process can take place. When this gene undergo mutation process, what will happen? It failed to control that clotting factor 9. Then it can leads to bleeding in our body. Okay. What are the symptoms of this hemophilia B? The condition is marked by increased clotting time. If any wound take place, what will happen? That blood will not clot. Okay, clotting time is very long, that is 3 to 8 minutes, as well as bleeding time 2 to 5 minutes. If any cut can form in our body, then blood will come out. That bleeding will leads to 2 to 5 minutes. So these are the symptoms of hemophilia B. It is rarer than hemophilia A. Is it clear? Let us conclude this topic by reading the following suggestions. First one, awareness about these diseases must spread among people. So we have to spread awareness about which disease? These X-linked diseases. Okay. Next, if possible, should avoid taking offspring. Adoption and other possible ways can be taken to have children. Already we know that it is a X-linked inheritance. Okay. So if anybody having that diseases, then what they have to avoid? Taking offspring. Instead, adoption and other possible ways can be taken to have children. Okay. Next, third point, possible cure of diseases available should be taken. If any possible cure of these diseases available in our area, it should be taken. Next, gene therapy at prenatal state can be used and can be a great cure. So, gene therapy we have to follow when at the prenatal state, and it can be used as a great cure. Okay, if you follow that gene therapy, it is one of the best method of curing this disease. Last one, research on gene therapy should be widespread. So these are the suggestions regarding this X-linked diseases. I hope all of you understood this topic well. If you have any doubt, you can put your comments in comment box. I will come with a new topic in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.